This is Arduino explained in 60 seconds. It's a programmable circuit board used to control electronic projects. It comes in different versions, but you'll probably recognize this one. It runs off a microcontroller, which is like a mini computer. You can connect components to it through these pins. These give power to the components. The digital pins send and receive binary values like high and low. These analog pins can read continuous data. Digital pins marked with a squiggle can simulate analog signals by sending high pulses, creating variable voltages. You can plug it into your computer and use the Arduino software to code it in C++. On the sketch, we have two functions: setup, which runs once to initialize settings, and the loop function, which runs the code over and over. In setup, we can declare a pin to this LED. In loop, we can use digital write to send a high signal, delay for a sec, and a low signal to turn it off. Boom, an easy blinking circuit. Comment what you want to see next. Now you know that